thank you for joining me, Captain Waterville.
Combat baby, Kim. Could you please tell me a bit about the Mimic? Ah, the Mimic. Yes, we're all very fond of her.
Me and her get along great. She prefers Mummy, by the way.
She terrifies me.
She's a mimic. Don't tell me you've never heard of them. Seriously? They come in all shapes and sizes. Ours just happens to be person-shaped. They like to copy what they see. It's how they learn how to behave.
She's a perfect performer. You simply show her once what she's to do, and she does it perfectly every time with no need for rehearsal. Audiences love her invisible lawnmower.
Stuff like her are one of the only things I haven't fully adjusted to after the war. Combat Baby tried explaining it to me. Something about the radiation from the bombs affecting the DNA of things made a new species of sorts. I don't know. I mean, I figured there'd be mutants after the war. I was expecting, like, Dawn of the Dead, not this.
So what do you think about your bandmates?
She gets on best with me. The others don't understand her fully. They think she can't do anything on her own. If you ask me, I think the captain's been coddling her.
Go on, Mummy, show him that thing you've been practicing.
What about the Mimic scares you so much?
It gets you off guard when you're with other people. When you're on your own, I get the heebie-jeebies. It's just not natural.
Alright, now I'd like to ask some questions about... Oh, hey, you're copying me, that's Oh my god, Jesus! Nope, that's it. I'm done. Get the captain.